Hello guys, and welcome to Mazda RX8 channel. My name is Serge. In today's video I want to share something exciting with you guys. At least this is very exciting news for me. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Check out this racing stainless steel downpipe for my silver Mazda RX8. Guys, this is not the one from this green Mazda RX8. In the last video I was showing you that I was planning to remove this one from this one and install it on this one, and I have ordered one from eBay, and that is not the one that came in from eBay. This is like so exciting because this was in my mini shed where I was working on my Mazda RX8, and we started taking it apart, and my son's helping with that, and he's the one that found it wrapped up nicely in a bubble wrap, and he said it was in some old box that he ended up throwing away. And I'm like, what? A downpipe? I don't remember ordering this. Look how beautiful this thing is. I mean, this is probably like a no-brainer, okay? But this is stainless steel, and it's nice and straight and everything. And this does have some kind of cat inside. It's like, so this pipe continues being thin like this. It doesn't expand out. So there's some kind of cat. It's a racing cat. But basically this is a high flow type of downpipe. But in South Carolina, we don't have any inspections here. So I have something like this, probably identical to this, that's installed in this Mazda RX-8. Now, I know like what I order, and if my mind fails me, let's say like my memory fails me, of course, I order stuff on eBay a lot, you know, when it comes to like parts like this. And the only one that I have in my history, and I recently looked up history before I even found this, I only ordered this one time, and I paid something like between 100 and 150 bucks. I can't remember exactly because I ordered like a lot of different things, including a muffler, stainless steel muffler for this car right here. I do have it, also some Chinese name, but it's supposed to look really, really good. This is a very good surprise for me because now it means I don't have to remove one from the green one, which will save me some work. Not a lot of work, but it will save me some work. So the one that I recently ordered from eBay is not stainless steel. And I paid like something around like 135 bucks for it. They charge shipping, so that was like with shipping and everything and taxes. And that was the best deal I could find. I recently ordered it like about like, I'd say 4 days ago when I ordered it. Now, if I would have known I had this, I would have not ordered that one. But the only reason I ordered it is because I didn't have one. So I kind of thought, well, I need to install something in the green Mazda RX-8 once I do remove it. I don't want to put original cat in it. It's all rusted and crimey looking. And boy, like this is like such an exciting news for me, guys. Like this is like, wow, a gift. You might be wondering what's so exciting about that, right? Well, if you look on eBay, it is hard to find a stainless steel for less than $349, taxes and shipping not included. I could not find one. I've been searching and searching on eBay, could not find one like this. So the cheapest one I found recently was not a stainless steel, and it looks nice on pictures, but the pictures are not that good. So I would be surprised if it's nice, okay? So recently, so anyways, well, let me first finish. So this particular one that I found that's not a stainless steel, it did not say it's not stainless steel in the pictures, even though he only had like about a few pictures. By just looking at the actual pictures, I could tell it's just made from steel. Like it's not like stainless steel. And I wrote to the guy after I bought it because that still was the best deal I could find. I searched everywhere, guys. And I asked him, is it stainless steel? And he says, no, it's just normal steel. So anyways, that's coming from Canada. And it does look similar, business name, that I bought one like this previously. Again, I ordered it for this Mazda RX-8 like I think like a couple years ago, the downpipe, and I believe it was from Canada. And you know what came in? A broken box, all dinged up, and it was like not stainless steel, and I could tell the welds are crooked. It was crappy. Like at least these welds, you know, they look nice. I mean, they look okay. Okay, this is not like the best welds in the world, but still, these are very nice welds. Things like, you know, for the like, I'm looking at it, like everything looks straight, like everything's nice. Okay, like this looks quality to me. Okay, but the crap that came in looks so ugly, and I paid a similar price. I think I paid like 150 back then, and it looked like that same company. And then I ended up returning it because I could not accept that piece of garbage. It was just terrible. And I'm thinking like, what the heck? I ordered a stainless steel, maybe just like a half a year prior to that. And that was like even cheaper. I think altogether it was like 130 bucks with shipping. And that was a stainless steel. And that's what the green Mazda RX8 has. And I'm thinking, well, why can't I find a stainless steel again? And I looked up that same seller. He doesn't even have like any items for sale anymore. So maybe that was the only one he had, and I'm the one that bought it. But I do not know what brand name this is. I don't even know if this is just Chinese, but it looks very nice, you know. And when I installed this downpipe and this green Mazda RX8, I was installing like everything fits so well with that stainless steel. Like it was amazing. And I was like, wow, what a nice quality for something a little over $100. I was stoked. But after that, could not find a deal like that again. So now it looks like that other exhaust manifold will come in. I'll show you guys what that looks like. It's still shipping. Wait a minute, I said exhaust manifold? No, downpipe. So another downpipe is gonna come in. I will show you what that looks like. This time, I'm not planning to return it, despite like how it looks or whatever. I just don't want to do that to that guy. Unless it's really, really beat up and just ugly, it's just all crooked, you know, like last time. But if it just a normal one comes in, it's just not stainless steel, I'm not gonna return it. I'll just probably put it on Facebook and try to sell it or something, or, you know, or whatever. But, yeah, very happy about this. So now, guys, I don't have to do no further waiting, and I could go ahead and install a full exhaust manifold, downpipe, and of course it already has the muffler into the green into the silver Mazda RX8. Because if you guys don't know, I am basically turning this into my truck car. So you know, I want everything nice, but on the budget. You know, I don't have like a lot of money to be throwing away and stuff on it. Maybe once I get it, you know, serious into racing and whatnot, and I get some sponsors or whatnot, you know, I'll be trying some other different things. But right now, you know, self-funded, so you know, these hobbies are expensive, and this is not my only expense, obviously, but this is a happy surprise. So like I said, I do not know where this exhaust downpipe came from, but I do believe I bought it together with this silver Mazda RX8, because this has the original cat on it and a very nice muffler on the back. I think it's like a $1,500 muffler or something. So I think when I was removing stuff from the trunk, when I bought it, you know, to get things started, I think I've removed it from the trunk, and that's the only place it could have literally came from, because I don't remember buying it. Like, it's not in my history of me buying it on eBay, and that's the only place I would have bought it. So so who knows, unless I bought it with my other eBay account, because I have like 2 of them. So I'll have to look that one up really quick, and I'll tell you if it's on there. So I just looked up basically my other eBay account, and it doesn't have like any history of purchases. So I actually doubt that I've even used my other account. I haven't used that account like in such a long time, but whatever it is, whatever it came from, hey, I'm thankful for it. And I feel blessed right now because I actually get a part that I want, which stainless steel downpipe. And I wish I would have found this thing 4 days ago, because I would have not made that other purchase. I would have saved me some money. But anyways, guys, I don't know, seems like just a little exciting news here for today, but I'll keep you guys posted everything else I'm doing. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.